As Mumbai approaches the BMC elections, the BJP led by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has gone on a social media overdrive to crowdsource its agenda for Mumbai's development. The Chief Minister spoke to a panel of 20 people selected from 7 lakh people who shared ideas about developing and improving Mumbai and other cities of the state. The opposition has called it a gimmick and says the BJP is aware of Mumbai's problems, and after 20 years of ruling the BMC with the Shiv Sena, it should not be crowdsourcing its poll promises.
The BJP is pulling out all stops to ensure that it has the right agenda for the upcoming BMC polls. And with me are a group of people and renowned actress Pallavi Joshi, who actually moderated this entire social media event with the Chief Minister. Thank you so much, ma'am, for talking to us. Which was your favorite question for the Chief Minister, and did he give a convincing answer?
My favorite question was the right to pee, which I think everyone participated in. But as I said during the conversation, I really, there's not a single woman here. She would have been able to ask a brilliant question, because I was just asking the questions which came to me.
Did you not, on behalf of the women of Maharashtra or Mumbai, ask that question?
I asked that question, but I didn't fight enough, I guess.
I heard you ask one very interesting question about what will happen to this agenda if the BJP has to form yet again an alliance with the Shiv Sena.
Yes.
What did the Chief Minister say to that?
The Chief Minister said that the alliance had basically broken because of the manifesto. And he also said that we needn't worry about it because the BJP is coming back in full force.
Okay, so, we all hope that the BJP performs better than its expectations as well. But let me also talk to these people who posed various questions. What was your suggestion for the Chief Minister? And do you think that this exercise is a good exercise to crowdsource your political agenda for an election?
Yeah, of course, it's a very successful event because as we see, I have developed an application named One Touch Seva for Pimpri Chinchwad, and since I was trying to meet CM all around 6 months, as soon as they launch this type of event, that we are going to take the suggestions from all of the common peoples. So I just registered over there and I put the descriptions of my application and it has been selected.
Opposition कहता है कि 20 साल तो बीजेपी ने शिवसेना के साथ बीएमसी को रूल किया है, तो वो लोग अब लोगों से क्यों पूछ रहे हैं इनको क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं और क्या सॉल्यूशंस होने चाहिए उन प्रॉब्लम्स के, क्या उनके सजेशंस हैं, उनको मालूम है, ऐसा कांग्रेस कहती है. आप लोगों को क्या कहना है? ये एक्सरसाइज क्या एक गिमिक है या वाकई में एक प्रोडक्टिव एक्सरसाइज है और एक अप्रोच है टुवर्ड्स इलेक्शंस?
नहीं, मैं समझता हूँ बीजेपी का मूल वाक्य ये है कि सबका साथ सबका विकास. सो दैट इज इंक्लूसिव ऑफ एवरीबडी हु इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस डेमोक्रेसी. सो व्हाट प्रोग्राम दे ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टुडे, they have contacted to the roots of democracy, the people who live in those streets, those cities, who are going to vote for their corporators. So this exercise in a way is an efficient way to understand the problems of particular locality instead of marginalizing a particular sector or area.
Right. So you feel that this was a good exercise, and this is perhaps a more democratic manner of arriving at a manifesto or an agenda or a vision document of sorts. Do you think this is an exercise which is good enough?
I think the other political parties should adapt this type of exercises because, like our honorable CM said, ki what is the priority of your needs we do not understand while planning the programs. So when you tell us that this is my priority, like what is my priority, then we'll plan manifesto according to that. So this is an inspiration which other political parties will also draw from BJP.
Do you think this will lead to a good manifesto for the development of Mumbai? And other political parties have not adopted this approach. Do you think that should probably something that they should have explored before publishing their own manifesto and vision documents?
Yeah, Abraham Lincoln has said that democracy is the government of people, by the people and for the people. I am experiencing this first time in my life that political parties are asking for their problems and their agenda for their city. If they are ready to implement those ideas of ours, it is the best initiative that BJP can initiate.
No, basically, what I think.
Yes.
It is public who should, give suggestions for manifesto, and political parties should implement it. It should be like that. It's reverse.
The Shiv Sena has come out with its manifesto. It's running a "Did You Know" campaign. What do you think? That campaign is good or not, and it's showcasing what the Shiv Sena has done over the past 5 years?
No, I will not comment on that basically, because what I think is this system is much more better than those things wherein people are not involved in deciding what is to be done for them. So this
Try to implement the Mann Ki Baat of people. It is a try to implement the Man Ki Baat of common people.
This is an extension of Man Ki
Yes,
Baat,
it
and
an
this is
extension
taking
of
it
Man Ki
forward.
Baat. Yes, yes, yes. It is a Man Ki Baat extension.
This is Aapki Baat. This is supposed to be Aapki Baat. They're listening to us.
We today feel proud that we are the common citizens and we live in that city, and the agenda is now made by us.
All of you are from Mumbai?
We are from Pimpri Chinchwad.
जो यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है वो सारे कॉमन पीपल है, यंग पर्सन्स है. दे आर कमिंग अक्रॉस दी महाराष्ट्र फ्रॉम 10 कॉर्पोरेशंस. सो ये कोई पॉलिटिकल बैकग्राउंड से बिलोंग नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है.
You're not BJP cadre.
No. We are common people.
If this type of
No, and what's the other thing that I wanted to ask you is that what backgrounds do you come from? What do you do?
I'm a graduate civil engineer.
And you?
I am an IT professional and I have a startup company named Creatinsoft. I have developed an app for it.
Great. And you?
I'm a printing technologist.
And you?
I'm an architect.
Okay.
I'm a final year computer student.
Okay. So, it's interesting to see that this is, a novel way for the BJP to actually bring on board ideas of the people of the state. But obviously, the opposition is also in the game, the political game in the run-up to the BMC elections, and they're obviously criticizing this, saying that, the BJP has been a part of the ruling equation in the state, and this is a gimmick. But it seems to resonate with these youngsters who've come from not just Mumbai, but from across the state, and are giving their valuable suggestions, which will, in a sense, lead to the finalization of BJP's agenda for the BMC elections. With camera person Rajendra Thayalkar in Mumbai, this is Anand Zanane for NDTV.